This is your NOAA weather radio station KGG68, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in League City, Texas. The Houston Intercontinental Climate Summary for yesterday, February 15, 2021. Yesterday's high temperature was 25 degrees. The normal high is 66. The record high is 83 degrees, which was last set in 2000. Yesterday's low temperature was 16 degrees. The normal low is 47. The low breaks the previous 18 degrees, which was set in 1905. 0.09 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 1.06 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 3.57 inches. 1.0 inches of snow fell yesterday. There were 44 heating degree days yesterday, and there were no cooling degree days yesterday. Yesterday, the maximum wind observed was 26 miles an hour from the northwest. The highest wind gust observed was 36 miles per hour from the northwest, which occurred at 3:32 a.m. The normal high temperature for today is 66 degrees, and the normal low is 47. Sunrise today is at 7 a.m. and sunset is at 6:11 p.m. This is a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Texas: Fort Bend, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. What? Extremely cold air will be parked over the area this morning. Record low temperatures are possible. Much of the region will remain below freezing through early afternoon. Areas along and south of the Interstate 10 corridor may rise above freezing around mid-afternoon. Northerly winds of 5 to 15 miles per hour combined with the cold air was leading to dangerous wind chill readings this morning at 4 a.m. ranging from -2 to 10 degrees. These wind chill readings will likely fall lower by 7 a.m. to bottom out at -5 to 8 degrees. Wind chill readings after sunrise will begin to rebound but will still be dangerous in the 7 to 19 degree range. Late tonight, an approaching low-pressure system will bring a period of dangerous and destructive freezing rain across the region. The freezing rain should begin after 6 p.m. across areas generally along and north of the Highway 59 corridor. Throughout the night and Wednesday morning, the freezing rain should slowly shift northward and intensify with a cold rain spreading northward from the coast in the wake of the freezing rain. By late afternoon Wednesday, the freezing rain should be confined to areas north of the Madisonville to Crockett line. Ice accumulations ranging from a trace to a tenth of an inch from the 59 corridor northward, increasing the further north where extremely favorable conditions will be in place from Columbus to Conroe to Cleveland. Amounts north of this line could range from 0.2 of an inch to in excess of 1/2 inch. Some locations could see isolated higher amounts. These would be devastating amounts of ice. Where? Southeast Texas. When? Wind chill warning through noon Tuesday. Winter storm warning from midnight Wednesday through 6 a.m. Thursday. Impacts. Travel will continue to be difficult this morning with patchy ice-covered roads in some areas across the south and more continuous icy roads, with some roads simply closed over the northern portions of southeast Texas. Power outages are ongoing, and combined with the extremely low wind chills, it is important to protect people, pets, and pipes. Icy conditions will worsen quickly across the region tonight with the freezing rain. Very dangerous driving conditions from icy roads are expected. Vegetation and power lines will become coated with ice, and as the ice accumulates, will lead to breaking tree limbs and power lines. Downed trees and lines could further challenge travel attempts. The power outages could well worsen. Even though some areas may thaw out briefly, the potential for a freeze will be high Wednesday night, with another cold front bringing sub-freezing temperatures back across the region. Another winter storm will affect inland portions of the area midweek, producing another round of ice and dangerous roadways. Travel may be impossible across northern portions of the area. The latest road conditions in Texas can be found at drivetexas.org. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of ice are expected or occurring. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and strong winds will create dangerously low wind chill values. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. Repeating, the winter storm warning has been extended until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday for the following counties in Texas: Fort Bend, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. 8 a.m. observations at Houston Bush Intercontinental, mostly sunny. Temperature 14, dew point 4, relative humidity 64%. Wind north at 5 miles an hour. Pressure 30.33 inches and rising. At Galveston, partly sunny. Temperature 21, dew point 10, relative humidity 62%. Wind north at 10 miles an hour, wind chill 10. Pressure 30.32 inches and steady. Other regional observations: it was clear, with a temperature of 16 at Hobby Airport, 6 at Huntsville, 10 at Conroe, and 7 at College Station. At Dallas-Fort Worth, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 2. At San Antonio, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 14. Coastal stations, it was sunny, with a temperature of 18 at Lake Charles, and 16 at Beaumont. At Corpus Christi, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 20. At Victoria, it was sunny. The buoy reports, 20 miles east of Galveston, winds were north, at 12 knots. Sea temperature 53. Air temperature 21. 60 miles south of Freeport, temperature 34, water temperature 68. Wind north at 8 knots. Seas 4 feet with a period of 6 seconds. The forecast for Houston and the surrounding areas. Hard freeze warning in effect until noon Central Standard Time today. Wind chill warning in effect until noon Central Standard Time today. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. Today, mostly sunny until afternoon, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 30s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Lowest wind chill readings 1 below to 9 above zero early in the morning. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of light freezing rain early in the evening, then a chance of light freezing rain in the late evening and early morning. Light freezing rain, possibly mixed with showers late. Ice accumulation of less than 1/10 of an inch. Not as cold. Lows in the upper 20s. Temperature steady or slowly rising after midnight. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 30% in the evening, increasing to 90% after midnight. Wednesday, cloudy. Light freezing rain early in the morning. Showers in the morning, then a slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs around 40. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90% in the morning, decreasing to 20% in the afternoon. Wednesday night, cloudy. A 20% chance of rain in the evening. A 20% chance of rain, snow and sleet after midnight. No snow and sleet accumulation. Lows around 30. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 30s. Saturday, partly cloudy. Not as cool. Highs around 60. Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Not as cool. Lows in the upper 40s. Temperature steady or slowly rising after midnight. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 60s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy early in the evening, then a 30% chance of showers in the late evening and overnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Monday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-60s. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location: Galveston Bay. Low water advisory in effect until noon Central Standard Time today. Small craft advisory in effect until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning.